Well, after a really cold night on the plot, I've just popped down here now and it's just before 4. Uh, it got down to about 0 last night, so I've just popped in from work just to see how the seedlings have coped. They are overwintering, they are winter hardy plants, but just going to check that they're okay in the polytunnels and in the greenhouse and also the coal frame. And the light here at the moment is absolutely beautiful. Really winter sunshine, autumnal cross winter sunshine, but it looks really nice to be here actually. So I'm going to have a check on these now, and we're just going to see how they're actually doing. Also, I want to check on the temperature here at the moment, which is 51, which is about 11 degrees, 51 degrees Fahrenheit, 11 degrees Celsius. So they're bearing up quite well. So I'm just going to have a quick look at them now. Right, as you can see, the seedlings are coping really well under the cool conditions, which are forecast to probably last quite low. 0 again in Merseyside tonight in Liverpool, but they're doing perfectly fine. They're doing pretty good. The chicory's fine. Baby pak choi's doing well. Arctic King doing pretty good, and endives, cheddar, and all the others. No disasters, nothing eaten, and no collapses in the cold. So corn salad's great, and landcress, spring onions, all doing perfectly fine. And it's cold, but it's bright, and it's pretty refreshing really. As I said, nice to be here. Mitsuna, mustard, spring onions in the coal frame, coming on bountifully. Really nice. And ticking over nicely, I would say. Winter time is a nice, autumn into winter is a nice transitional time on the plot, or in any gardening calendar. So everything's looking pretty good. In the polytunnels, they're all pretty healthy, and I can see them just through the plastic. I'm not going to uplift everything, but everything's coming on really nice. Gorgeous blue sky, and some nice nebulous clouds. Beautiful. Perfect day. We're getting a few hours in on the plot. So I'm going to crack on with a bit of work now, and I should have about, seeing as the clocks have gone back, about 2.5 hours of light. So I'm going to see what I can get done. Probably pick some Mitsuna, and probably do a bit of weeding, a bit of watering in the greenhouse, only very lightly though, and the coal frame, and just a general check on everything really. Okay, over and out. Bye bye for now. Well, hello again, Merseybeat lovers. I hope you've managed to get some of this beautiful sunshine experience down on your plots today, and that you're still heartily cropping. I'm sure most of you are. Right, we've just got a nice selection that I've actually cut here. Some lovely Mitsuna, along with some baby pak choi and some perpetual spinach, which are still all cropping over here in the raised beds. So my Mitsuna is still really quite lush at the minute. Pak choi I've actually picked most of the larger leaves at the moment, so there's a bit more in at the back there, and we've got a really continuous supply of spinach, still quite healthy, lots of turnips, swedes, radish, good crops to keep us going over the winter, and some of our Christmas potatoes are still doing well, and we have plenty of beetroot left. Again, hopefully before the frosts get to them too much. The leaves are really nice as an alternative to spinach. It's getting a little tad cold at the moment, but there's a lovely hue against the trees. We're blessed in the fact that we get some of the most lovely sunsets here, and we're surrounded by some of the traditional heritage trees of Calderstones Park, which is a great plus for any allotment site. And also the birds are quite active today, and we actually need to replenish. We've got a couple of bird feeding stations, so we've got fat balls that we're going to bring down and actually fill these up and make sure they've got a constant supply of water through the winter. So, I mean, the park's absolutely lovely today as well. I came in on the way in through the park, and I met an old plot elder who I hadn't seen for many years. Not so much of the old, mind, but old in terms of has been here a long time. So it was nice to see and reacquaint with old plot elder neighbours, who's off for a nice holiday. I hope it's somewhere a bit warmer than here. Never mind, the winter has its own beauty, and it's looking pretty lovely here today. Our park, actually, there's a little bit of a battle going on at the moment, with a bit of a sell-off of some of the parkland. I know there have been over the years over allotment sites as well. So hopefully none of you out there are experiencing anything like that, because green spaces, open green spaces for the community, as allotments are, and all our beautiful parks around the country, community gardens, are so important for people, so they need to remain that way. Okay, I'm gonna just show you the final lot of the red hot demon chilli, very final crop out of the greenhouse, because we've been cropping regularly as we have at home. There they are, and they pack a punch, they really do. Right little bad boys they are. You only actually need probably a half or a quarter of one of those. So they're going to go in a stir fry tonight, and it's lovely to be cropping at this time of year, 29th of October, onset of winter, and we hopefully will have our allotment harvesting right through the winter months into the spring, fingers crossed. So I'll say bid you farewell, Merseybeat lovers, and see you when our paths cross again. Goodbye for now.